Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025 that will make keeping your home spotless easier than ever. From powerful suction to smart navigation and self-cleaning features, these robot vacuums are taking home cleaning to the next level. All the products featured in this video are linked in the description below, so you can check them out, compare prices, and grab the perfect one for your home. Let's jump in and find out which robot vacuum deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. 5. Eufy Robot Vacuum E25. Experience next-level cleaning with the Hydrojet system with roller mop. E25. Its innovative roller mop stays spotless during every session thanks to real-time self-cleaning 6 times per second. The all-in-one station simplifies your daily routine with self-emptying, self-washing, self-refilling, hot air drying, automatic detergent dispensing, and wastewater storage. With 20,000 pH turbo suction, it effortlessly removes stubborn dust and hair from carpets and floors. The duo spiral anti-tangle brushes prevent hair and fur from wrapping around the brush, reducing clogs and manual cleaning. Enjoy 100% edge coverage with the Corner Rover arm, designed to clean walls and corners thoroughly, ideal for pet owners. Keep your device performing at its best by updating firmware through the app and unlocking expanded features. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no 5 GHz, and 110-volt voltage, make sure you choose the version for your region. 4. Narwhal Flow Experience next-level cleaning with the Narwhal Flow real-time self-cleaning track mop. This smart robot vacuum and mop combo features the revolutionary Flow Wash mopping system, washing its high-speed rotating mop in real time with 132 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and 1.22 kiloms downward pressure, removing stubborn stains in a single pass while keeping dirty water from spreading. Its Twin AI Dodge Obstacle Avoidance uses dual HD cameras and intelligent AI to detect over 200 object types, effortlessly navigating tight spaces and furniture. With 22,000 PA ultra-strong suction and a dual-flow tangle-free system, it deep cleans carpets, floors, and pet hair without hair wrap. Carpet-focused technology boosts rug pickup by 2 times, while the reversing side brush and edge reach mop capture hidden dust along edges and corners. Sleek and compact at just 3.7 inches, it climbs ledges up to 1.6 inches and cleans under furniture with ease. The AI-adapted base station washes and dries mops, stores 2.5 mil of debris for up to 4 months, and keeps your home spotless with minimal effort. Hands-free control is possible via Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or the Hey Nawa voice command. 3. iRobot Roomba Max 705 Vac. Meet the Roomba Max 705, the ultimate cleaning powerhouse that eliminates dirt, dust, pet hair, and more with anti-tangle dual rubber brushes, an edge sweeping brush, carpet boost, and 180x more extreme powerlifting suction. Equipped with Clearview Pro LiDAR, it expertly maps your home for maximum coverage and avoids stairs, while Precision Vision AI technology navigates around objects of all shapes and sizes, including cords, socks, and even pet waste. The dual rubber brushes stay in constant contact with all floor types, paired with extreme suction for unmatched dirt destruction. With the Roomba Home app, you can target specific rooms, adjust suction levels, or schedule repeat cleanings in high-traffic zones. Pair it with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant to clean on command, while Dirt Detect technology ensures no mess is left behind. Plus, the Auto Empty Dock keeps debris contained for up to 75 days, letting you enjoy a spotless home hands-free. What's in the box? 1 Roomba Max 705, 1 Auto Empty Dock, 1 extra auto empty bag, and 1 extra filter. Everything you need for effortless cleaning. 2. Move a P50 Pro Ultra experience a next-level clean with the P50 Pro Ultra, the fully automated robot vacuum and mop combo that takes care of your home effortlessly. Its self-maintaining dock collects dust for up to 75 days, cleans mop pads with 167 dares, 75 dares, hot water, replenishes water and solution, and dries mops to prevent odors. With 19,000 pass suction and the anti-tangle clean shop brush, it picks up dust, hair, and debris from multiple surfaces without tangles. The extendable side brush and mop reach corners, edges, and under furniture, while the mop lifting feature keeps carpets dry and pristine. Customize your cleaning with 32 adjustable water levels for streak-free floors, and let the dual rotary mop system handle any stain. Equipped with an RGB camera and intelligent dirt detection, the P50 Pro Ultra identifies and scrubs spills like coffee, crumbs, and beans. Navigate your home seamlessly with detailed 4-level 3D mapping, while the integrated app gives you control of cleaning schedules, mopping and vacuuming frequencies, and even pet interactions, fully compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Cleaning has never been this smart, thorough, and effortless. 1. Roborock Saros 10R. Meet the Roborock Saros 10R, the ultimate upgrade in home cleaning. With its ultra-thin 3.14-inch design, it glides effortlessly under beds, sofas, and cabinets, reaching every hard-to-clean corner. Powered by the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it uses advanced 3D sensing and Vertibeam lateral obstacle avoidance to navigate furniture, cords, and 108 different obstacles with precision. Its 22,000 PA Hyperforce suction and zero-tangling duodivide brushes tackle dirt, hair, and debris on all floor types, while the FlexiArm riser side brush and mop ensures every corner and edge is spotless. Featuring the industry-first Adaptalift chassis, it easily climbs thresholds and lifts mops on carpets, while the multifunctional Dock 4.0 provides auto mop cleaning, hot water washing, dust collection, and more for a truly hands-free experience. Stay connected with pets via the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant and RGB camera, allowing two-way video calls, pet location, and monitoring, all from the Roborock app. Sleek, smart, and powerful, the Saros 10R redefines what a robot vacuum can do. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best robot vacuums for 2025. Whether you're after top-notch cleaning, smart home integration, or just a vacuum that can do the work while you relax, there's something here for everyone. If you want to check out any of these models or grab one for yourself, all the product links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest gadget reviews and top picks. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your tech smart.